Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Bitget wallet. First, download and install the Bitget wallet application on your device. Next, create a new wallet or import an existing one, ensuring you securely back up your seed phrase. This phrase is crucial for recovering your funds if you lose access. Once your wallet is set up, you're ready to explore the various options for acquiring Bitcoin directly through the platform. Let's get started with funding your account. Now, let's fund your Bitget wallet. Navigate to the Buy Crypto section within the app. You'll find several payment options, including bank transfers, credit cards, and sometimes even third-party payment providers. Select your preferred method and follow the on-screen prompts to link it to your account. Always review the transaction details, including any fees or exchange rates, before confirming your deposit. This ensures you understand the total cost involved in your purchase. With funds in your wallet, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Go to the Trade or Buy section and select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase or specify the fiat currency amount you want to spend. The app will display the current exchange rate and the total Bitcoin you will receive. Carefully review all the details of your order one final time before confirming the purchase. Your Bitcoin will then appear in your wallet. To keep your Bitcoin safe, always enable two-factor authentication on your Bitget wallet. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Remember to regularly back up your wallet and never share your seed phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds. For more helpful tips and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description below for a link and other great deals. Staying secure and organized is key to a smooth crypto experience. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.